This video shows how to create an entertainment center with Sketchlist 3D. This entertainment center is 75 inches tall, 120 inches wide, and 19 inches deep. There are 3 assemblies in the entertainment center. Insert an assembly, click this icon, and we'll set the sizes. Left assembly is 65 inches tall, click the bottom, 30 inches wide, click the right, and 14 inches deep. Clicking from the front, I want to push that back. Take that, clone that, use this slider bar and shift it all the way to the right. Becomes the right assembly. Take that, clone that. The left is going to be at 30. The right is going to be at 90. Now if I click the width button, Sketchlist both sizes and locates that center cabinet. In this case, it's going to be a bit taller than the others, and it's going to be a bit deeper going to the front. To create the cabinets, go to the assembly level and begin inserting boards. There are only 3 things to do in Sketchlist: insert, resize, and locate. So to insert, I'm going to take a board. There are 3 different board types, and this would be my sideboard, just as it looks in the icon. That's the insert step. The resize, I'm going to just drag that red dot up and down and back. Now the resize of the front takes just a little bit of thought, because I want to put in 3/4 of an inch for the face frame, plus 2.5 inches for the molding overhang on top, and that's going to affect the depth of that board. Same thing on the location. I want to make 2.5 inch clearance on that side for the molding that's going to wrap around there. And take that board, well, I can clone and mirror it, but I have to make sure that I'm going to move it all the way to the end, because the molding's not going to wrap on the inside. Next thing I do is bring in another board, insert. This time the shelf-like icon. Now there's several different ways to locate things in Sketchlist. One easy way would be to take the blue dots and copy that. So I'm copying that location exactly, and I'm going to paste that value in there. Now my resize, I'm just going to shift key my keyboard and slide that with my mouse until it snaps. For the front, the easiest thing to do is know that the front of this board is 3 1/4, so the front of this board is going to be 3 1/4. Now I can take that board and clone and space it, say 28 inches from the bottoms. I can clone and space it again, and one more clone, and I'm just going to take that final shelf and slide it all the way to the top. It doesn't matter too much where these shelves go because they're adjustable. I want to move on to the face frame. The same 3 steps: insert, resize, and locate. But to know that this is your framing material. Some people try to make that work as framing, but it won't optimize properly. This is your framing material. You're looking at the surface. Bring the board in. So that's insert. I'm going to locate, so I take that outer blue dot, copy it, take this inner blue dot, paste it, like that. In this case, I'm going to drag that red dot all the way up, right-click the red dot, make this a 2.5 inch style, clone and mirror. Now, what's happened is the clone and mirror mirrored this clearance for the molding, which I shouldn't have done, but I can just take that and move it over this way. Those are my styles in place. The rail, 3 steps. Insert, red dot, right click, 2.5 tall. Actually, maybe do that a little bigger. 3.5, like that. Go to the board definition tab, change the direction of the grain. Take that inner blue dot, copy its value. Take this inner blue dot, paste its value. I'm all set there. That aligns it both to the style and to that bottom shelf. Just drag with the shift key down that. Here I want to have those line up. So if I click that to make it my target board, and then shift and click that shelf and do an alignment where I want to have the line to the tops of the boards, I have my bottom shelf properly inserted. I can take that and clone it and just push it from the bottom to the top using the slider bar. Take this, clone it, select that board, shift select this board, align, even at the tops,